Hi man, we back for another video. It's your boy RT the Joke, and we back for another one. We finna get straight to it. We finna tear these heads down. As you can see, we already got the water pump removed. We got the power steering bracket, alternator bracket unbolted. We ain't gonna remove it. We just got it unbolted from the heads, so we can pull the heads off. With this how it's looking. We're finna get straight to it. Start turning these wrenches. Like, share, subscribe. Feel free to comment. That's how we doing it. We finna do it right this time. You dig? Like, share, subscribe. We finna get to it. You see, we got the bolt down there. We just got it unbolted. We ain't even got it all the way off. But yeah, we finna get to it. Take these valve covers off. Take the rocker arms out. Push rods out. And pull these bolts. Let's get to it. All right, man. We back. And it's the next day. You dig? My phone went dead trying to video record the process. But it is what it is. We back. And as y'all can see, we got all the bolts out. And we ready to pull these heads like so. See what's going on? You see what's going on, don't you? Okay. So what we gotta do is finna unhook this ground right here, because that's how I like to do it, because I don't never remember to put that screw on the back of there. So I'm gonna hook the ground, then we're gonna unhook these grounds right here, and we're gonna pull these jokers on up, man. We're gonna pull these jokers on up and get them to the machine shop, get them resurfaced, so we can get these jokers popped right back on. You dig? All right, and one more thing I've been forgetting to add in these videos, just because I want to be clear as possible for anybody trying to do this process on a Gen 4 Chevy vehicle. You feel me? This oil pump I got a standard 295 oil pump. Now, when I bought it, I did not know that I was buying a standard oil pump. Like I said, like I already told y'all in a few videos before, I paid the shop to replace the timing chain, to replace the timing components in the oil pump, because the oil pump right there. So I didn't do that part. Now, when I had them replace it, I had them replace my original oil pump with the oil pump that I bought, and I didn't even have a preference. I just, you know, it fit my vehicle from what the app, whatever app I used said, and I bought it. You feel what I'm saying? But the whole time I had an M295 standard oil pump, and so with the standard oil pump, because I got the standard oil pump, I have to replace or block off that valve in the oil pan. Now, if you not replacing your oil pump and you did a DOD delete, AFM delete, and you not replacing the oil pump, what's gonna happen is you gonna have oil pressure. You're gonna have oil pressure, but it's not at idle. It's not gonna be at half. It's probably gonna be what is idle, 40 psi. You're probably gonna be at like 30, 35, 32, some up in there. You're gonna be between 30 and 33 psi at idle with that high pressure oil pump, because the DOD system got high pressure oil pumps. Now, because that thing in there, that's why a lot of people say just delete the oil pump, right? Because swap out the oil pump, the high pressure one. Because if you delete it and the thing is still in the oil pan and you got the high pressure oil pump, you're not gonna sit at 40 at idle, right? Now, if you got the high pressure oil pump and you do delete the the thing in the oil pan, you're gonna be past 40 at idle. You probably gonna be at like 45, 50 PSI at idle, which is probably, I don't know, whatever floats your boat. If you're okay with that, cool. You then block off the thing in the oil pump and keep your block off the thing in the oil pan and keep your oil pump. If you're okay with that. I ain't no expert, this is just the research I've been doing. And this just, you know, me putting 2 and 2 together. I might got 5, I don't know. But this just, you know, from what I done collected. Somebody jump in the comments, let me know I'm right. But I'm just telling y'all my situation. I got the standard oil pump. So to be sitting at 40 PSI at idle, that thing in the oil pan gotta be blocked off. That's for me. You dig? You see what my oil pressure was at. Go back to the other video. You see what my oil pressure was at without blocking off that thing. So just imagine where it would be at if you had the high pressure oil pump. You feel what I'm saying? Like, it seemed like simple math. I ain't the sharpest knife in the drawer, but it seemed like simple math. But yeah, I just wanted to add that because in all these videos I did, I didn't really go in detail about the oil pump because a lot of people have oil pressure issues like I did, but at least I know what I gotta do. I already knew this before I started the process, you feel me? But yeah, so I just wanted to help somebody out, that's it. We finna get to it, we finna pull these heads, take these screws out, and pull these heads, get them on back of the truck and get the fuck on out of here because it's super hot. Hey, back. Just in case I forgot to tell y'all before, man, I'm really like that. You dig? I don't know if I told y'all that before, man. I don't know if I kind of explained that to y'all, man, but I'm not your average Joe. I really like that. You see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see what's going on, man. I'm really like that. Do I gotta say it in Spanish? Do I gotta say it in French? What y'all want me to do, man? How y'all want me? What y'all? I gotta spell it out for y'all, man. I'm really like that. Heads off. You dig? Let y'all see what's going on. Bracket still there. I really didn't even have to remove the water pump, but I did. Y'all see what's going on. I really like that, nigga. Hold up, let me show y'all what's going on. Fans working good on the cateye. Them motherfuckers loud. Okay. This look familiar, don't it? This looks like I had these right here about two months ago, about a month or two ago, huh? Yeah, well, we back. We back. Yeah, y'all see what's going on. Like, share, subscribe, man.